Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya kala Mynjur JINGPYNDEP pisa ka balong hadu sanspa new point new way klortingka na ka BYNTA Pyndep Ganol hydroelectric project ka ba R4 point san megawatt habai krem bikla patai khubor hadian ka jalang chika kinhun menteri ka balong henne ka new tarik unai lor a haja arpo u menteri ka tanat boarding u jem sangma olai thu baya kani ka project ka blas dang nadu snam a haja pra barkat nang ya snam ka project estimate ka nang kiu kata na ka lai spot lai pu R point riu pra klortingka hau snam a haja khatlai Shakalai spa san pudriu point sao lai klortingka hau ar haja khatsau badminta shakasan spa new point new iwe klortingka karkum ka dor ka murjong usnam ar haja khandai haga jo ka por ka kinhun ki menteri kala Mynjur ru ek state development loan ka balong hadu san phok klortingka bansha ek MEPGCL ban shimra mahadu hispa new pulai point iwe klortingka.
It was proposed before the cabinet today to approve the revised cost estimate 2019 for the completion of Ganol Stage 1 small hydro project, which is for 22.5 megawatts at an amount of rupees 507.71 crores, to approve a state development loan at an amount of rupees 50.00 crores, to allow any PGCL to avail a loan for an amount of rupees 173.11 crores from financial institutions, and to increase the borrowing limit of any PGCL for the purpose. So these proposals were placed before the cabinet, and the cabinet was informed of the views of the finance department. Which made certain observations and which have agreed to the proposed cabinet memo subject to certain conditions, namely that the proposed SDL, that is the state development loan, will be considered immediately to facilitate the recommencement of the work, while in the meantime the loan of 123.11 crores for financial institutions can be processed. Secondly, the interest and repayment of the SDL loans will have to be made by the MECL, and to ensure regular payment of the loan, a redemption reserve fund of 10 years is to be created. This account is to be operated jointly by MECL and the Finance Department of Government of Meghalaya. Thirdly, a loan agreement is to be executed between the MECL and the state government to ensure the service redemption of the SDL. The planning department also had certain observations. They had certain conditions, and one of the conditions was that the proposed high-powered committee under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, which was formed to monitor the performance of the PDCL and the MECL to ensure that the long-term loan of 101,345 crores to be availed by the MEPDCL against the state government guarantee is regularly repaid, and the project management unit of technical experts to be created under the planning department to support the HPC on its above task would also monitor the performance of the PGCL with regard to the Ganol project with the same powers and conditions approved in the cabinet memo relating to the above long-term loan of 1345 crores. And the second condition was that the project should be completed by September 2022.